question. Now, what do you all make of the president of the regional athletics body, NACAC, Mr. Mike Sands, encouraging more Caribbean athletes to transfer to the Jamaican high school system in order to gain the invaluable experience of training in Jamaica and competing at the world-famous Boys and Girls Champs? What do you think about that? I absolutely agree with Mr. Sands. This will provide a wider talent pool for the Jamaican schools to tap into, improve the standard of the performances, and ultimately the standard of the athletes. This can only be a win-win for the young athletes, the schools involved, and Champs itself. We know some people might be thinking Champs is for Jamaican schools and Jamaican athletes and Ray and Tay, but Champs bigger than that. No, it's now all about elite quality. And wherever that elite quality is from, bring it on. Anybody who is against this development in principle must be against Jamaican athletes taking up scholarships at US colleges and universities. Just like those institutions, Champs can become an international melting pot for the very best young athletic talent from across the region and eventually across the world. Boy, may I tell you, not that we hear from Mr. Sands, we want to hear from Mr. C. You don't get it? The Sands. I know why you're from the C, the Sands on the sea.